हाँ.
Advertising at that time was what, like now what we see in film, जो अब हम देखते हैं ना, जो systems film में है कि the kind of job, जैसे आपने कभी कहा कि first AD कितना काम करता है, first AD का काम तभी बहुत अलग था. It
Oh,
was not the same job. So how the way jobs are now so specialized,
yes.
that specialization was not in film. That specialization was only in advertising.
Hmm.
वहां पर होता था कि फर्स्ट एडी का काम क्या होगा, then breaking it down with a production designer,
Hmm.
doing sync sound,
Shot by shot and script and everything.
storyboarding,
हाँ.
shot breakdown, ये सब होता ही नहीं था फिल्म में, नहीं था ये सब. तो in advertising when I went, I learned all this stuff of how to create an efficient production system,
Yeah.
um, and one that is accountable, one that is responsible for tasks that they take on. क्योंकि हम लोग जब आर्ट एडी थे, किसका काम क्या है, everybody used to do like this. अगर कुछ खराब हो गया और कुछ अच्छा हुआ तो everybody was like, "वो मैं था." You know what I mean? That was the thing.
So you took a job in
um
advertising, is it? Just to be clear.
yeah, 3 years, 3 years.
Why did you take that and said कि बस.
um no, because I really felt I'd learn a lot more. Firstly, I won't have to commit a year and a half on one project. In
Hmm.
advertising, things move a lot faster. So to get a feeling of pre-production, get a feeling of production, being a production manager on my very first job, I was a production manager.
Mhm.
Then learning about post-production, handling complete jobs of like launch films and corporate AVs and stuff that were being made in post, spending nights in the studio to make sure those deadlines are achieved. It really, really teaches you.
Hmm.
It's not about just going to work in the morning and coming back in the evening. You're spending your days and nights at times in those studios. So you learn so much.
And I think it, I mean, at least that's, I have, as you know, I've done many contracts with Excel and things
Yeah.
like that. I always found it to be a little more corporate, little more professional, even though so-called you come from very filmy heritage. But yet, I think
Yeah.
maybe those advertising years helped form the foundation for what kind of a company you will have one day. Maybe.
Possibly. But in that place, it was a place called Script Shop. वहां पर there was a guy who I worked for, my boss. His name was Adi Pocha, who I
Hmm.
worked with. Adi Pocha instilled the value of focus and writing in me.
Okay.
That credit I will always give him,
And what was that?
because
Focus meaning?
क्योंकि I have ideas in my head, I will share it with people. I'll never write it down.
Hmm.
And then you 2-3 days later you forget it. वो हो जाता है कि
Hmm.
कभी कभी आप सोचते हैं यार वो सुबह में मेरे कुछ एक आइडिया था बहुत अच्छा. If you don't write it down, at
Yeah, yeah.
times it's gone.
I've seen that. In fact,
You know.
nowadays it has happened to me when I'm writing. And sometimes at
Hmm.
night I wake up at 2 in the morning and for to go to the bathroom or something, and I have some idea. And now I've
हाँ.
started doing a habit कि phone में ही कहीं 2-3 word लिख लो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Because it goes.
Correct. Yeah, it does go away. So the whole thing of and I would, when we had like say a client came to us wanting to launch a product, and they would you have to write like a corporate AV film, like a 4-minute film or a 5-minute film that obviously has to have highlighting the product, but uske alawa has to be entertaining because it's 5 minutes long.
Hmm.
So my mind used to work amazingly in that long format, of how to write a 4-minute,
Huh.
5-minute story. So he was like, listen, you have a certain talent, but you're completely not putting it to any proper use. तो आप ये प्रोडक्शन का काम करो ही करो because you're learning about that, but you come here every morning, get here by 10 o'clock, you sit down at this desktop over here from 10 to 12. All I want you to do is write.
Wow.
I don't want you to be involved in any other production work. When you're done writing, you may not write on certain days, but don't get up from here and go away saying, yaar, aaj kuch nahi ho raha.
Hmm.
Kuch bhi likh de. So he instilled that discipline of sitting in front of a comp and working,
Yep.
which I never had.
And I always say this in not
Hmm.
just this industry, in any industry, a lot of
Hmm.
50% is talent, or I don't know, you can assign a percentage or not, but 50% is things. What leads to success in life has
Hmm.
nothing to do with talent,
Hmm.
like discipline is not
100%.
talent. But
I agree with you.
if you're a cricketer, or if you're a great coder for a computer, or a writer or a director, or a bodybuilder even,
Yeah.
you don't have discipline, it's not going to happen. and
Yeah. Yeah.
and a
I
less
agree.
talented person with tremendous discipline will make it happen.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, this is when we were learning, when we were training for Tufan. So Drew Neal, who was the first coach that I worked with, so he told me, he's like, natural ability in boxing will take you far, but it can only take you that far.
Hmm.
Natural ability mixed with discipline will make you a champion.
Yeah, it's true. And I say it for writing. Like Farhan, I can't tell you how many parties I've gone to. Every party, 3 people will come to me and say, I have an idea of a book. I've been wanting to write a book. I'm like, really? Nobody ever
Yeah,
said that to
yeah.
me before. But then I was
Hmm.
like, how do I do it? I said, take a pen and paper and do it. Or
Hmm.
use a computer. What do you
Hmm.
want me to say? Write
Hmm.
it. And I'm being honest. I am a decent writer. I'm a good writer, but I'm not a phenomenal, God gifted masterpiece writer. But I have had more success because I've
I,
simply
I I thought you had said let's not be humble on this chat. What happened?
no, I'm a good writer, but many better writers I've seen who have not achieved as much simply because I
Hmm.
have written 12 books so far and
Hmm.
people have not. And writing 12 books is not about my brilliant mind. It is literally about sitting. And like you said, I
Yeah.
normally do it like बैठना है breakfast के बाद और lunch तभी मिलेगा जब इतना लिख लोगे.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's
Absolutely.
got nothing to do with writing. It's just pure
Hmm.
discipline. And it's
Discipline.
boring. And that's what we were talking about earlier. This thing
Huh.
of boredom, this thing of discipline is a problem. I find a lot of viewers who are watching this,
Hmm.
they have dreams and they want to do it. And in fact, they are even more hungry than maybe you and I are. But their discipline nahi aata hai.
Yeah. हाँ नहीं मगर आप उसको embrace कर लो यार. Don't fight it. You
Hmm.
know, embrace it. Make it a virtue. Yeah. Make it a virtue. Na? Be proud of the fact that you're disciplined. Don't be apologetic that you're disciplined.
Huh. So
यही होता है ना
but like
कि
for
अगर
for a youngster who says कि sir
हम्म,
ambition है मेरे में
हम्म,
सीखना है लेकिन डिसिप्लिन नहीं आ रहा है बार बार मेरा मन करता है काम करने का बट देन आई एम लाइक ओके लेट मी जस्ट वॉच इंस्टाग्राम फॉर हाफ एन आवर मोर let me just do time pass on this
हम्म.
Facebook for half an hour. What do you tell them?
I mean, the only thing you can is you have to dig your heels deep in. Yeah,
It's
there
not
is no,
easy. There is
no,
no.
it's not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. If you want to get good at something, firstly choose what you love.
Hmm.
ऐसे मत करो कि यार मैंने किसी की लाइफ देखी है वो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है तो मुझे भी वो चाहिए.
Hmm.
You will fall short because your heart is not in it. When your heart is not in something, the discipline doesn't follow.
That's so
वो
true.
नहीं होने वाला है. तो योर हार्ट फर्स्ट हैज टू बी इन इट. आपको संगीत सीखनी है, गायकी सीखनी है, स्पोर्ट सीखना है, बिजनेस में कुछ करना है, एथलीट बनना है, राइटर बनना है, पेंटर बनना है. You have to be true to that first. If you're going to think, I mean, I see again, we are speaking from a place where life has been kind to us, where we don't have to have that struggle कि यार how are ends going to meet.
Correct.
We don't have that struggle.
That's a
So
big
we are
thing.
very correct. Absolutely. It's a massive thing, Chetan. Okay, we don't have to worry about that. So I can then, in that case, say no to something. जब वो स्ट्रगल नहीं है कि यार खाना कहाँ से आएगा टेबल पे, तो दैट गिव्स यू द स्ट्रेंथ ना कि नहीं यार मुझे ये काम नहीं कर, वो स्ट्रेंथ मिलती है आपको. बट इफ यू आल्सो स्ट्रगलिंग टू मेक एंड्स मीट, इट गेट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. टू मी, पीपल हु कैन डू इट विथ दैट इन द मिक्स are truly outstanding people.
Absolutely, yeah.
कि यार मतलब कुछ था भी नहीं, but they stuck to their guns, dedicated their life, dedicated their time and made something of themselves. To me, those people they are ultimate heroes.